In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix error CE-34878-0 on PlayStation 4 Roblox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you clear instructions on what to do if you are having this specific error when trying to play Roblox or any other game on your PlayStation 4. There are various reasons on why this happens. And while we don't necessarily need to know the reason, I'm still going to present various methods to fix this. So, first, the simplest way to fix this is to close the application and try opening it up again. It is extremely simple and I assume that you have already done this, but if you got the error again or it persists, then what you can try instead is to update the software on your PlayStation 4. So check to see if there are any updates, and also check to see if there are any updates for Roblox itself. By updating your PlayStation 4 console and the game, you will be able to use any software, any game without any issues. If this problem still persists, the next thing to check is to see if your PlayStation 4 could have any physical issue. Usually, this isn't something that you can do on your own. You will have to take this to a repair shop, and if you notice that it is extremely dirty, maybe it is making too much noise, it could be overheating. If the console is overheating, the performance is going to be poor, not only on Roblox but other games, and you might get this error telling you that you need to power down the console because it is overheating. It cannot be given too much stress, so I would highly suggest just taking it to a repair shop and either replacing pieces like the hard drive or just giving it a thorough cleaning. If all of this still doesn't work, you can try factory resetting the PlayStation 4 after you are done backing up all of your data, and as a last resort, you can contact the Sony support. Usually there isn't much that you can do on your own to fix this besides these options that I mentioned here, so I hope one of them works for you to fix this issue with Roblox or any other games. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix error CE-34878-0 on PlayStation 4 Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.